Congratulations on buying your Philips One Chef. One appliance to cook all your favorites, powered by AmbiHeat technology for even cooking every time. Inside the box, you'll find the main One Chef unit, a cooking pot, a glass lid, the air frying rack, idli stand, and steaming basket. Before you start, wipe the cooking chamber with a clean, damp cloth. Now place One Chef on a stable, flat, heat-resistant surface. Make sure there's enough space around the appliance so air can flow freely while it's in use. Insert the cooking pot into the appliance and make sure you do not fill it beyond the max line. This is the main cooking pot and stays inside for every cooking mode. Now plug the appliance into a stable power source. This is the control panel where you control all cooking functions. Here you'll find the 6 cooking modes: air fry, stir fry, curry, steam, boil, and keep warm. Tap the power button to bring the modes to life. Click on a cooking mode to activate its control panel. These are the presets with time and temperature already set for you. Use the arrow buttons to move between the different presets. If you want to manually set time and temperature, navigate to the manual option using arrow buttons. Now click on the temperature button and use the arrow keys to set your desired temperature, and do the same with time. For non-air fryer mode, the temperature button will help in setting cooking power from low, mid, or high. Press the start/pause button to begin cooking. Shake or flip the food halfway through cooking if needed. Start by placing the main cooking pot into the appliance. Then, place the air frying rack inside the pot. Add your food and close the lid. Set the time and temperature using the control panel or choose a preset. If you need to pause cooking at any time, press pause. When you open the lid, cooking will pause automatically, and when you close it, cooking will resume. Place the main cooking pot inside the appliance. This mode is designed for quick, high-heat cooking directly in the pot. Use the control panel to select a preset or manually set the time and cooking power. Then add oil followed by your ingredients. This is an open lid cooking mode, so keep the lid open. Stir occasionally using a non-stick spatula and treat the pot like any other non-stick pan. If the food isn't done after the preset ends, adjust the settings and give it more time. For curry mode, cook the food in the main cooking pot. Select a preset or adjust the settings manually. Add oil and ingredients, keeping the level between the minimum and maximum markings. This mode is ideal for gravies and slow-simmered dishes. Quick tip: if you're making dal, use the tadka preset to handle the tempering at the right heat. When opening the glass lid, be careful as hot steam may escape. In boil mode, add water and ingredients to the cooking pot, keeping the level between the minimum and maximum markings. Place the glass lid on the pot, select boil mode or choose a preset and press start. Add water to the cooking pot, keeping it between the minimum and maximum markings. Place the steaming basket on the pot and add your food. If you're making idlis, place the idli plate inside the steamer rack. Cover the basket with the glass lid, select steam mode, adjust your settings and press start. When opening the lid, be careful as hot steam may escape. After a cooking program ends, the appliance automatically switches to keep warm mode to maintain the food's temperature. If you don't want to use this function, press the Keep Warm button before starting the cooking program to turn it off. You can also activate Keep Warm mode on its own as a standalone preset. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. When removing the glass lid or opening the air fryer lid, be careful as hot steam may escape. After cooking, the cooking pot, glass lid, air fryer rack, steamer basket, and other accessories will be hot. Be careful while handling those. Areas like the inside of the top lid and the inside of the cooking chamber will be hot after and during cooking. Avoid touching those areas to avoid burns. Always use the handles when removing them and place the accessories on a heat-resistant surface. Once you're set up, take your time and start with what you enjoy cooking. With one chef, everyday meals and special dishes are all within reach. Welcome to Philips One Chef. Happy cooking!